how to turn on Find My iPhone. So if you want to use Find My iPhone on your iPhone, so that each time you couldn't find your iPhone or you misplaced your iPhone, you can easily find the location of your iPhone using the Apple Maps or the Google Maps. Then you can see my iPhone is currently with me. I have my Apple Watch with me, as well I have my iPad, which is online as well. Now, to turn on Find My iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Settings app on your iPhone. On the Settings page, click on your Apple account name. Then once you click on that, hang on, then scroll down. Click on Find My. Then here, click on Find My iPhone. Once you click on that, make sure Find My iPhone is turned on. And if Find My iPhone is disabled, just go ahead, toggle this, and then turn it on. Once that is turned on, then you can now exit this page. And each time you open the Find My on your iPhone, and you come to Devices, here you should have access to all your devices on your iPhone. You see that? Now I have Find My. Then you can easily use this to track your iPhone if it is turned off or misplaced or even stolen. So that is basically how to turn on Find My iPhone on your device. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.